Hello guys, today we are going to talk about how to make money from your house as a teenager in Iraq or any other country. First, you are going to need a skill like translation, video editing, or programming or montage, any of these skills. But what if you don't have any skill? It is easy, don't worry. Just take one free week to learn any skill you like. And believe me, 1 week is more than enough to learn any skill. Now we want to make money and we have a skill. What are we going to do? It is simple. We are going to work online. But how is that? Easily, just make an account in a freelancer, Upwork, or Fiverr, or LinkedIn. If you didn't hear about freelancer or Fiverr or LinkedIn, it's easy. Freelancer or LinkedIn or Fiverr are sites, are working sites. You can work from them, and the employer share a post like, I need a translator to translate 10 pages from English to Arabic. Then freelancers like you will make bids on this project, and the employer will choose only one person to make this project. And after the employer chooses you, the employer is going to chat with you and tell you that I want you to translate all of these pages. How much are you going to take? And you'll discuss the budget and the deadline, and after all of that, the employer is going to give you the money or release the milestone and give you a rate and give you a rate depends on the quality of work you made. Well, someone is going to say, my country does not support PayPal. Is that a problem? Indeed, my friend, it is not a problem. There's something called wired withdrawal. By wired withdrawal, you'll be able to take your money, but you are going to lose $25 as a fee for each $500. Now, the big question: how much I can make from these sites? There is a variation in the amount of money you can make. A translator make more than a video editor because there is too much video editors and there is a very small group of translators. So a translator will make a good money from the site. Also, the video editor will make also good money, but that will be harder for the video editor to make money and work like the translator. Patience is a very important thing. You'll need a lot of it because maybe sometimes you will spend a weeks making a bids on other projects, but you won't get any project. That is normal. In the first month, I was able to get only one project, but in the second month, I was able to get 4 projects. As you get more rates and more projects, you will get more and more projects. And also, if you gain in the first month like $100, in the second you'll get $300, and in the fourth you'll get $500, and the numbers will increase, and you can make your own company. And I'll tell you an important thing: the freelancer or LinkedIn, you can make a full-time job in these sites. Also, if you are using freelancer or Fiverr or LinkedIn, you are making a future business. And maybe in the future you work as a freelancer only. There are a lot of companies in a freelancer. After you get a lot of works, and then you will be able to make a company or a team which consists of many members, and you'll get, of course, as a company, you will get more money. As for me, I prefer freelancer. I use a freelancer a lot. I was able to make $300 in the past 2 months, and it was a really good experience. I got a lot of experience in the future works, and I worked with a lot of people, and that will give you a really good reason to go forward and make your own company and make your team. I won't lie, I made a team consist of 3 members, and I learned a lot about how to be a leader team or how to be a manager. It was a great opportunity, so I'm giving it to you. All you need to do is go to www.freelancer.com and make your own account. or you go, or if you want, you can go to Fiverr, or you can go to LinkedIn or Upwork, as you like. But as for me, I prefer freelancer. So if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel and write a supportive comment and drop a like, please. And I want to explain why I'm talking in English. Of course, you have realized that I don't have a pure accent in English. I'm from Iraq, and my own language is Arabic, but I'm talking English because I want to improve my English skills. Also, I like English. That's a good reason, and that is the main reason. So please support me and drop a like and subscribe, and goodbye.